In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or replace objects in photos with Adobe Express Generative Fill. Generative Fill in Adobe Express lets you remove unwanted elements or add new ones with realistic lighting and perspective, all in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact process and share tips so your results look clean and believable. Start by opening Adobe Express and uploading your photo. Choose a clear, well-lit image if you can. Higher resolution gives the tool more detail to match textures, edges, and grain. Once your photo appears on the canvas, you're ready to guide the AI. Click the photo to select it, then look to the left panel and choose Generative Fill, sometimes labeled Insert Object. This opens the controls you'll use for the edit. Select the brush and paint directly on the image. If you're replacing an object, brush over the entire thing, including edges, gaps, and any subtle shadows it casts, so the AI knows exactly what to change. If you're adding something new, paint over the area where you want it to appear. Adjust the brush size for speed on broad areas and precision around fine details. A slightly soft brush often blends more naturally. Zoom in for accuracy and try not to paint far beyond the intended boundaries. Clean, deliberate masks give you cleaner results. Now type a clear prompt that describes what you want. Be specific about the object, color, material, size, and useful context. For example, replace with a white coffee mug or add a small plant. You can include style cues like ceramic or matte finish and placement cues like on the table or facing left. Keep prompts concise but descriptive. A few well-chosen words are better than a long sentence. Click Generate. Adobe Express will create several variations based on your painted area and prompt. Take time to review them closely. Look at edges, lighting direction, shadows, reflections, and the texture match with your photo. Consider perspective too, top-down, eye-level, or angled, and pick the option that aligns with your scene. If none feel quite right, tweak your prompt with small, helpful details, or refine the painted area for a tighter selection, and generate again. Even small adjustments like smaller mug, soft morning light, or glossy finish can make a noticeable difference. Once you find a variation that blends naturally, you're all set. That's the full workflow. Upload your photo, choose Generative Fill or Insert Object, brush the area, describe what you want, and generate to review the options. With a bit of practice, clear prompts and careful masking will give you realistic, professional-looking edits every time.